Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to remove the third-party apps from Google. That's right. You use Google to sign into a lot of different things online, and they call them apps, which sometimes they're just a website, but you want to learn how to remove them. If you're not using those apps anymore, you don't want to have that connection with that place. So I'm going to show you how to remove them in this video. Last week, we went over how to enable Clipboard alerts on Samsung, and I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. And also I wrote an article on this video we're doing. I'll put the link down below so you can check that out if you like to read. And that's how we're going to do it. All right, before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps with our channel. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos I come out with every Thursday. So keep checking back every Thursday and you'll learn something new. Well, let's get this started. So what we're going to do is we're going to find obviously your Google browser, which you want to start in, and then you're going to go to a tab. I usually have it on google.com because this is where you want to make sure you're signed into your Google account to do this. Look to the top right and you're going to find your profile image. You click on it and then it brings up this screen, this little menu, and you're going to look for right under your name, manage your account. Click on that. And then once you do that, you're on the main Google account area, but you're going to look to the left side and you're going to look for the menu and you go down to security and sign in. Click on that. And once you do that, you're going to scroll until you find, we'll get there, hang on, right here, your connections to third-party apps and services. Keep track of your connections to third-party apps and services. So that's what we're doing. It shows you a couple of them, but we want to see all my connections, which is like 37 of them. So obviously I need to go through here and clean up. Once you do that, you're going to be here. Now there's a couple options here. It says you share data with these third-party apps and services. So 37 total apps, that's fine. You can search for the app if you know its name. You also can do some filtering. If you click this, is going to show you all the ones you sign in with Google on. Accesses, what they have access to, so you can narrow it down to which ones have access to certain things. Like if you don't want them to have access to your drive anymore, your Google Drive, you can click on that. It'll bring up just those. But we're going to focus on just picking one of these. And now I let you know, you might have something on here you can't do anything with. It might give you an error. You might have to go to their website to get rid of it, because like this one right here, I clicked on and this is what I got. Oh, it came up. Last time I clicked on it, it did not give me that option. So we'll start with this one. So we're going to go back. We want to go to this one. I'm going to click on the one app I want to disconnect everything from. So it's going to give you how Google helps you sign in to this website. And it's going to give you a lot of this. It tells you what to sign in to your website account. You're sharing the sensitive information to this person. You can see details, which is kind of cool. So click on that. And this tells you when you gave access to the app, which is kind of cool to know when you did it. And then access given to whatever the website is or the app is. And then you can actually stop using sign in with Google, but that doesn't completely take away all connections. But this is a place you can look at some of the information, which is really cool. So you're going to go back, and then what you want to do actually is this one. Delete all connections you have with Brainrot. It's a website. I don't want to actually plug them, so I'm not going to say the whole thing out. You can delete the access you've given to this website or app and Google. So you're going to click on here, and it's going to bring this up. And this is the warning screen. So delete the connection you have with this website or app. I call it or app. It's a website, but it's always funny. They always have to say they're apps now. It says when you delete these connections, you might not be able to use some of the website apps features or use the apps from your Google account on any device where you signed in with Google account. So that makes sense because you're disconnecting everything. What happens to your data, your website account, and data and info you shared with that website or app will not be deleted. If you want to delete the data and info you shared with that website or app, they give you the place to go visit. You basically go back to the app and then you have to clear out that information on their side. But this will disconnect your Google account from it, which is kind of important. So if you're happy with all that, click on the confirm right there and it's done. So that's how easy it is to remove third-party apps from your Google account. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.